to announce that Goa Police, particularly ANC, has had conducted a raid yesterday and had made the biggest catch so far. We have seized drugs worth 2 crore 5 lakh rupees, which by far I think is the biggest catch in history of Goa Police as far as narcotic substance is concerned. A British national by name Gary Beard was arrested yesterday. Gary Beard.
How do you spell?
Gary and Beard, Beard. He's a British national. Age I think 45, sorry. Age 45 years. Resident of Pearl Marina. Was found the illegal possession of 4.14 kgs of amphetamine, and the approximate value of the seized contraband is 2 crore 5 lakhs in international market.
When was the raid conducted?
Raid was conducted in Kandolim at Cinquarium helipad number 2, Bardes, Goa.
You had come there to deliver it
Yeah,
to
to a prospective customer.
it's such a large quantity, you never
Yeah, we had an information. We were working towards this for a pretty long period of time, and yesterday, we got an opportunity to nab him.
He has visited Goa first time.
No, he's been living here for a pretty long time. He's been traveling off and on, but mostly since last few years, he's been staying here.
Which part of UP?
It's in Northern Ireland.
What visa has he been staying?
Right now, we are looking into it. We are investigating so far.
He has a valid visa or not?
No, he has a valid visa.
What
Which country it belongs to?
Sorry?
Tourist visa?
No. We are looking into it. We'll let you know.
Can you just circulate that so that
Yeah, we'll email it to you. We'll email it to you, and I'll ask the PRO to give you the details. He's a British national. As per the passport, he's a British national.
So since when he was in Goa?
He's been traveling off and on. He's been, but for last few years he's been here. At least for 4-5 years minimum he's been.
could you spell this drug's name?
AMPHETAMINE, amphetamine. Day before yesterday also we had arrested. He was also found with the same bank substance.
Scheduled drug.
It's a bank.
What does it it is
Used for?
injected or
Yeah, but it can be injected and it can be swallowed with liquid also, and it can be snorted also.
So what was his modus operandi? How he used to get this drug to India? From where he used to get?
We are looking into it. It's just been a few hours that we have his custody, and we're going to produce him in front of the court, and we'll ask for the maximum remand, and then we'll investigate into this.
What time raid was conducted?
Yesterday evening at around 4 to 4:30, between 4 to 4:30.
what is the quantity of the drug? 1 point?
4.14 kilos. Yeah.
He was
First
residing in
time
a
he has
hotel.
imported drugs.
Yes. This is the first time he's been.
He was residing
First
in
time
a
in
hotel
Goa.
Sorry.
He was residing in a hotel or he was
We are looking into it. He was staying in a hotel close by in Colombo.
first time that you have seen amphetamine here in Goa?
No, we had done it the day before yesterday. We had arrested an accused called Rajendra Gaud Patil from Kalangut area itself with 103 grams of amphetamine.
Is this a new type of drugs which have been circulated in market now?
See, it's an amphetamine class of drugs, which is, yes, but it goes by many street names like Meow, or we call it by different street names. Like Meow. Meow is one of the street names that it has. It is basically, sometimes it's an alternate alternative for cocaine. You know, that's a thing. Meow, like a cat. Meow. MEOW.
Alternative to cocaine.
Matlab, it's basically in the market. Basically, not this is as far as now the way we are seeing it. It is generally monopolized by foreigners, foreign nationals. It's a synthetic.
Both which is not related, or both are similar?
No, matlab, right now it's too early, but I wouldn't want to comment on this.
Has it disclosed from where did he get this drug?
No, not yet. We are investigating into it. We are investigating into to the source of these drugs from various.
So, whom you are supposed to deliver the drug?
Yeah, that we know. That we know.
But you are not arresting that.
No, we are looking into that. We had this information basically, but who has been that I cannot reveal all my sources and
More
details.
arrests are there for
Yes,
this.
more arrests will be followed.
Is this international connected or?
We are looking into it. We are investigating the case properly now. If I comment too early and it won't be right now.
You don't contact the Interpol to get these antecedents verified?
We are in connection. We are in touch with all different agencies now. We especially we're going to talk to ED also, Enforcement Directorate.
This Rajan Gaurapatil is now under custody, right?
Yes.
During course of did he break down and disclose his name or?
I would not like to comment on this, but and he's also been disclosing a lot of information. We are closely investigating on both the cases. I would also like to congratulate my team, especially PI Suraj Alankar and PSI Shitakan Nayak, and all the other 8 to 10 constables working in anti-narcotic cell. It was a total teamwork, and all of us were following for last 4 to 5 weeks consistently behind this particular. We had from our previous arrests, previous cases in recent times, we had a little bit of information, and we had to put all the puzzles together, the pieces of the puzzle together to get a solution.
This drug has been specified under NDPS Act as banned drug.
Yes, amphetamine is a banned drug. Amphetamine is
NDPS Act.
yes.
Secondly, can we say that this is a new type of drug that is being pushed into Goa?
Yes, matlab, see now the cases are coming forward, and for how long this was being done is again a matter of, in course of investigation we'll get to know. But yes, it's a relatively new drug. Not many people, not many cases we have to refer from the past and to tell you.
Consumed by foreigners only.
Consume it is consumed by everybody. It's a party drug. It's a party drug. But mostly people, this is what we are getting from the latest disclosures. Yes.
There are only 2 cases, serious amphetamine before that.
Yes. In last,
It's in what
last.
form?
Sorry.
It's in what form?
It's in powdered crystalline powder. Crystalline. It has little flaky texture.
With the big tourism sector facing you, are you ANC sufficiently equipped with personnel and
We are building a strong team now. Certain officers have already been transferred, but they are relieved also. They'll be joining us soon. And
strength of these?
right now we have a PI and a PSI, but already 3 PSI have been posted. They're going to join us soon. They have been relieved from their respective police stations, and we have also asked for a few constables also, resourceful constables. So
What is the present strength and what is you required? What is the present strength and what is you required for?
I have made all the requirements. I have put a proposal and it has been so far. All those proposals have been accepted. Even as far the constables are concerned, it will be accepted in another 2-3 days.
Is it so that most of them constable doesn't want to join the ANC?
See, again, in speaking to in the context of your question, I agree that because of all the thanks to all my media friends. Even today I was reading certain editorial in a particular newspaper and a cartoon also. People, you have to change the mindset. You have to come over 2010. In last 7 weeks, we have done more than 7 cases. Out of them, 4 are commercial quantity cases. 3 are intermediate quantity cases. So if you could please, portray these men in a positive manner that they are doing a good job. So it will definitely encourage, and a lot of people will come forward to join.
So 3 more PI will be joining.
PSI. PSI will be joining. Yes. And plus, we have been making, as per the directions of superior, we have been making proper antecedent checks of all the men joining ANC.
The issue is that are people properly trained also, because you just get people for the sake of getting.
Yes.
Because later, if you see the track record of convictions,
True.
you come to know
Yeah.
the weaknesses.
Yeah.
So that's why I'm asking, just getting people and just trying to show up because
Yes. No, after coming here, we'll have a training program for them. Their skills will be harnessed to the best of their potential. And yes, all the men who are coming here are well versed with the NDPS law, and they'll do a good
how
job.
much you are coordinating with other agencies.
Yes, recently we had spoken to few good lawyers also to tell us where exactly is the shortage as far as the investigating part and the prosecution part is concerned. Wherever they would like that, where we should improve, we are definitely always open for. Sorry.
Follow up the weaknesses of the past,
Ye-
so that you can.
Yes. We are definitely following up, and NDPS is such a we follow it up very properly. Briefing of the witness. It's not like ordinary cases. We understand the gravity of the importance of the NDPS cases and the people who are involved in it, and we are doing our best in this regard.
You